Is that persistent music player widget stuck on your iPhone's lock screen? Today, I'll show you how to remove music player widget from iPhone lock screen notification in just a few simple steps. Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech problems easy to solve. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. This shows all your recently used apps, including any music players that might be running in the background. Look for music apps like Apple Music or Spotify, then swipe up on each one to close them completely. This ensures no music apps are running that could keep the widget active on your lock screen. After closing all music apps, check your lock screen again. The widget should disappear if it was just a background app keeping it visible. If the widget is still there, open your Settings app. That's the gray gear icon you'll find on your home screen. We need to adjust some notification settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. This is where you control how and where apps can show alerts on your iPhone. Find the music app that's causing the widget to appear. It could be Apple Music, Spotify, or another music player you've used recently. Tap on the app's name, then look for the lock screen option under Notification Settings. Turn this off to prevent the app from showing anything on your lock screen. While you're here, you might also want to disable banners if you don't want music notifications appearing elsewhere on your phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more quick tech solutions.